Seth's off doing some bike trials where you can try mountain bikes from a store, and I am going to work on the trailer by myself. Last time we were here, Seth was super frustrated with having to remove the skin, and so I'm going to just get a jump start and do some of it without him because that will help alleviate his frustration. So let's get started.
Hi, I'm Seth.
I'm Joncee, with our son Eman and our dog Luna. So I'm going to do this by myself because Seth was super frustrated and I want to help alleviate some of his frustration. But when you are working on a trailer, you should reverse engineer it. So the last thing they put on is the front and the back and the roof. It's all one piece that goes over the top. So I need to remove this window and the rest of the back skin so we can remove the sides correctly. I'm going to remove this window. I'm going to have my son come out and help me. But first I gotta unscrew everything. There's a bunch of silicone on these bolts here, and it's super hard to unscrew them. And not only that, but they're super rusty, and so they're just kind of crumbling when the bolt is screwing on it. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Since I'm not working with Seth, I'm listening to the Office Ladies podcast. What is your guys' favorite podcast to listen to when you're working? I'm really glad I'm doing this without Seth. This is a lot of work because the bolts are so rusted and there's so much silicone on them. It's taking forever.
A little pepster.
I had to cut some of the silicone off around this. It's just ridiculous. I can't even get the bolt onto the... This is challenging. Can you guys see the amount of silicone and rust on this bolt? This is not fun. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left to go. I don't know if you can tell that the whole top is silicone, and around the inside there's silicone in that threading, which makes it really hard. Silicone in the threading makes it's like stuck in there. Slow going when there's this much silicone. I was reading in a Facebook group that I'm in that someone said people should ban silicone from trailers, and I was like, why? Now I see why. We should ban silicone from trailers. It makes it really hard to unscrew all of this. What should have been maybe like a 5 to 10 minute job is taking me about half an hour now. Okay, slowly push on it. No, not on the glass. On the metal part around the... Okay, actually come out here. I'm labeling the pieces as I take them off so that way we know where to put them back. The thickness of the silicone is ridiculous. That's why it was so hard to get that window out. Alright, gotta take these lights off. And I'm gonna be done for the day. Seth should be home any minute. So like and subscribe if you'd like to see more.